Huntington's disease is a hereditary progressive brain disorder that attacks the nervous system. This picture shows the brain of an average human being, while this picture shows the deterioration of the brain caused by Huntington's disease. At the onset of the disease, early symptoms may include small involuntary movements, poor coordination, frequent mood changes, as well as difficulty thinking clearly. As the disease progresses, symptoms worsen, with increased jerking and twitching, and difficulties walking, sleeping, and swallowing, loss of reasoning abilities, and rapid weight loss. The life expectancy of someone living with Huntington's disease is approximately 15 to 20 years following diagnosis. However, this is not definite, as some people have lived more than 25 years with the disease. Huntington's disease is caused by a mutation of the HTT gene, which is located on chromosome 4. A DNA segment known as the CAG repeat is more abundant in those who suffer from Huntington's disease compared to those who don't. The orange section on the top DNA segment shows the number of CAG repeats on the HTT gene of an average person compared to the number of CAG repeats of someone with Huntington's disease, shown on bottom. The number of repeats varies from person to person. However, the more repeats you have, the more severe the disease and the earlier it will make itself known. Huntington's disease is genetic, and a child has a 50% chance of inheriting the gene from an affected parent. This diagram shows how Huntington's is passed down through generations, with red squares representing affected males and red circles representing affected females. Those who have Huntington's disease have abnormally high levels of dopamine, shown here, released from the brain, which results in an overactive nervous system. Currently, there is no cure for Huntington's disease. However, there are options that can aid in slowing the progression of the disease, such as dopamine antagonists, antidepressants, mood stabilizers, and involuntary movement suppressors. Research for a cure is currently ongoing. Recently, effects of the disorder have been partially reversed in monkeys and mice and has been successful.